Hey, I'm Carla Pesono with Five-0-Fork, and I'm in the Mid-City neighborhood of New Orleans at one of my favorite Creole restaurants, Neyow's Café. Now, this is a family affair. Chef Tanya started this restaurant nearly 2 decades ago. All her kids are here working at this restaurant. When you come here, you just feel at home. These are probably my favorite Creole dishes right here. Crab claws, I always order when they're on the menu. Let's get a little squeeze of that lemon first, though. Oh, look at this monster. This is blue crab, baby, Louisiana. I love this dish. The crab meat is so tender, and it's so nice and sweet. This is true Louisiana blue crab. You cannot beat this dish. And the char-broiled oysters, just a staple New Orleans dish. Here they do basically a dinner and a show. They got a window where you literally watching them char-grill it, fire and everything. It's the most beautiful sight. I love seeing it. All the herbs on it and that butter sauce, oh, and of course loaded with Parmesan cheese. It's seriously my favorite New Orleans dish. The cheesy goodness. It's like an Italian oyster. It's so good. Gumbo. Ooh, look at the roux on this. That beautiful, dark, rich roux. That is what you want. That right there, the perfect bite. This is award-winning gumbo right here. And they make some fantastic seafood pastas, like the pasta on the bayou. Chef Jared, I am ready for some real Creole cooking. How long have you been cooking for?
We can go back to I was 13 years old, and that's when my mother started helping me in this kitchen, and that's when I started learning how to do this. Pasta on the bayou is one of our hot dishes.
Well, listen, anything pasta this Italian girl is ready for.
Oh, taglioni.
Let's go.
All right. I want you to add the shrimps.
Okay, shrimp. We got some Louisiana shrimp.
Got some Louisiana shrimp
Okay,
right now.
okay.
Now we're gonna add our Tonys right here. In New Orleans, you have to have your spices. Some people like to say they making their own, but 9 times out of 10, everyone is using the same thing.
Yeah, come on.
Carla, come on. A little garlic right there. Let's turn our heat up right there. Now we're gonna add a little secret
Ooh,
right there. I can't even tell
taste?
you what it is. You don't want to taste it? Go ahead. Get a little bit in your life. We added all our seasoning right there. That's gonna make it pop right there. We're gonna add a little butter to it. You know it's not good for you, but it's good for you. You know what I mean?
Oh, yes.
Now we're gonna add us a little cream right here.
Crawfish.
Got a little Parmesan cheese right here. Penne pasta.
Penne pasta. Get it in there.
Oh, it's Italian girl
You're
right
getting
here.
in there. Look at that flip. Ooh.
Now we're gonna let it simmer on down. It's gonna
Look
get
at
nice
that.
and thick. Watch, we're gonna flip it and toss it one more time.
You're getting the secret right here to making a delicious seafood Creole dish. Thank you, Chef Jared.
Add a little more cream, can't go wrong with that.
Oh, more cream. Creamier.
Cream you up. Well done.
I love it. That sauce is looking so creamy. This is really the ultimate comfort food right here, at least for me.
My grandmother always says she likes it thick and creamy. That's what she always says. When she want that pasta or anything, right? That's some thick and creamy.
Well, me and your grandma are the
we're
same.
going with thick and creamy right now.
Ooh. I mean, this looks so beautiful. I'm going in. That's the bite. Creamy goodness.
You're loving this.
I'm in heaven. It's just like a warm hug. That's what I love about you guys. It really is just true home cooking. You feel the love in the food. Pasta on the bayou. Look at that glisten on the pasta and the shrimp. Come on, this is like the ultimate Creole pasta. Let's go.